welcome to you all from everybody at Wiszniewski Yachts. It's the first day of Düsseldorf 2026. We're very proud to stand here, and we remember that 2 years ago we stood here on what was a momentous day for the Wiszniewski family, and in fact everybody at the shipyard. When we launched our brand and our debut one with the W43, which you can see here today. Today makes the next significant milestone in our journey when we unveil the W29. A lot of hard work from very many people has gone into getting us to this moment to make this possible, and we're very excited to share it with you today. At this point, I'd like to hand over to Michael Wiszniewski, who will give you a little bit more information on the story, the background and philosophy of the W29.
Okay, thank you, Ian. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you hear me well. Yes? Okay. Thank you, Glenn. You always support us if we need it. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I want to thank you. I know everyone have a lot of world premiere boats today, so I'm so much happy. I see so many faces, so many friends, so many partners. Thank you for that. You find the time to come to see us. Second thing, I want to say a little bit about our story, about our history, which without some of you guys, some of you partners, from Chile, from Branchvik, from NATO, from Amsterdam, from Salzburg, from Exo, etc., we will not be where we are today. So this is a little bit of our together success. We are very, very proud and very thankful you guys share with us your technology, your experience, and share with us your love to the boat. Ian introduced a little bit of our two new models, mainly the W43. I will say a little bit about U29, which is variation of our idea for a small, powerful motor yacht. So my microphone. Hello. The old school is back. Yes, I think microphone. So thank you very much, partners. Now I will talk a little bit about the W29, which we designed together with, like always, like W43, together with J&J company, Wiszniewski Yachts. They help us again with this model. This model is 8.5 meters long. Again, DNA the same like Wiszniewski Yachts ones, so a little bit of nice touching details, classic mixed with the modern and performance. That is what we believe is a little bit missing on the market. We don't want to go in a copy somebody. We want to go in a way of our own way. I hope you will like that boat. That boat we built in a little bit hurry because it was very positive needed to show that boat for Düsseldorf. Düsseldorf for Europe is of course the most important show, I think, for all of us. So we had some motivation to finalize this production before this show. I want to say hello to our friends from Florida, to our friends from Turkey, to all of you guys who are together with me today, with my family. Before I say a little bit more, I want to thank you for my parents who put me on this sick for boats, because I can say after 26 years in this business I am sick on that positive way. I'm not boring, I love what I do, and I'm very happy and lucky man I can do that kind of boats for you guys. So in a few minutes we will see the boat which we put all of our experience, new technology, good quality materials, little bit scary performance, because that is what we believe should fit for that kind of boat. After the unwrap the boat, I am here to the end of the day. I very wish to talk with all of you. What is your support? What is your opinion about this boat, which we do great job or middle job. If it's middle, we will go up. If it's good, I will be very happy. So, I ask now Joseph, my father, my mom, Marisha, Jerne, and Adrian to unwrap the new 29. Not this direction, Marisha? Other direction? Few people there and here. You want to go? Yes. I cannot call my parents where to go. Here. So, wait for the sign. Ready? Okay. So, unexpectedly 2 words from my father.
Okay, all of you, many my partners, we started to boat 35 years ago with Bosching. Thank you people for Bosching. You let us know, you trust us, you let us build the boat. After we started to Axopan, now we do many other boats, the Amarin of course, and time comes 2 years ago when we say, let's put the whole energy to show the people what we can do. So now we can see a smaller boat for everyone. This is small boat. Thank you very much for both. A lot of people.
I think we are ready. We can put the music. Now the music is all the same. Adrian.
Już można.
Wolniej.
Ladies and gentlemen, desire you I give the 29 shipyards.
All of you can afford to buy.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone, and please enjoy with us on the stand. You are very welcome to see the W29.
Proszę, zapraszam. Very welcome to see. That is the idea. A little bit of classic style, a little bit of crazy.
Panie Michał Bąk, dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Do później.
Witam.
Wszystkiego dobrego. No piękność.
wiesz, bo...
Żeby nie było, że kupiłam, nie?
No, I didn't send it electronically. I have printed here. I can send it to him here.
Dzień dobry. Cześć, cześć. Still on the...
But you have two engines?
Yes.
Instead of two keys? Right?
Mogę wejść? Oderwałam taśmę wam.
Była?
Sekundka. So, thank you so much. I got the surgery.
Oh, be careful. Yeah, we don't need
Yeah.
another one.
Nah,
There you go.
thank you so much.
Need another hand down? Well, there you go. Hand off.
Oh, gentlemen, thank you.
Ale fajne Leszek to masz to. Ambient lighty, nie? Imprezy, beach pompa z tyłu, nie? I to samo masz stąd, nie?
I one na zasadzie...
Tak samo, nie? Wszystko jest w jednej sieci, nie?
O, kluczyki są.
Na 270.
no w środku, no ładnie mi się Edukacja w środku.
Co?
Edukacja w środku.
Całą tą markę.
The maximum between the I hope that is something only usable run other things not here. So we have unusual for that kind of classic boats. Open window which can go long.
Kann ich? Danke. Wunderbar. Vielen Dank.
High glass wood and oil wood.
Zawsze z szampanem.
Jasne.
Za wasz kolejny sukces, kochani.
Dziękuję bardzo.